Take a ride in the 2018 Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, ambient lighting, battery saver, braking assist, power brakes, heated steering wheel, capless fuel filler system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.